Hello from, where we at, y'all?
Hilton Head,
South Carolina.
My natural looking hair.
Yeah. So this is like the first video of our Sister Chronicles, and we decided that we needed to get away. And the reason why we wanted to get away is because we believe that sisters need to invest in themselves. Sometimes we take for granted our relationships and we don't really invest in each other. So we say, you know what, let's get away. Let's just act silly. Let's let our hair down. Well, we didn't let our hair down. Kind of down. It's too humid out here for hair coming down.
Natural hair down mean afro.
Just let our hair down and have a good time. So anyway, ladies.
I know, because my arms
Well, we're out here, and, you know, one thing that we try to practice is to practice what you preach. And, you know, one thing that we represent is sisterhood. And oftentimes, as, you know, you get carried away with life, you forget to be intentional about each other. And sisterhood, it doesn't have to be your biological sisters. It could be your girlfriends, whoever that takes that place for you. But I think that what we're trying to do and what we're trying to represent this weekend is just to spend time with each other, quality time, get away. Look, we're at the beach, it's beautiful out here, woo! And we're just trying to use this time to, okay, your hand hurt?
Yes.
My bad. All right, so we're gonna stop and re-record.
Speed it up.
But I just want to take this time out to be intentional with each other and just really enjoy, you know, just spending quality time and just relaxing, resting in God. Rest is good, hallelujah. Rest is good. Ain't it good? No children calling your name. Jeez, that's the will of God.
For me, I definitely just needed a break. And so there's nothing like enjoying nature, enjoying God's natural beauty. It just like, you know, energizes you. So being able to do that with the people that you love, that you know can give you that energy too, you have to, I love my sisters, you know, but you have to recharge your batteries sometimes. Because sometimes you're giving, doing, to the point where you just like run on E. And so sometimes find the things that refuel your batteries. I got that from E.T., Eric Thomas. But find the things that refuel your batteries. It could be the people that are around you. It could be taking a trip. It could be just finding time for meditation. You know, whatever it is, invest in that. You know, charge your battery so that you can be better for somebody else.
Yeah, and don't take your family for granted. You know, I think sometimes we just assume that family is just supposed to be close just naturally, but you